In this video, we're going to take a look at how to change your username in Yubo. Like always guys, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, create daily content, tutorials for you to enjoy. So the question is, can we change our username? So if we go to the top right hand corner, click on the little person, and we click edit, you can see that we have the option to change your name when you click on it. So that's editable. But reading the official Yubo website, I've got some bad news for you guys. Usernames cannot be changed unless inappropriate or it presents a safety concern. So what they're basically saying is the username that you've chosen when you created your account is the username that you have to stick with. Some good news though, you can potentially, if you want to, delete your account, which I can show you how to do now. So we'll click on settings and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Delete your account, create a new account with a username that you want, and then use that. But unfortunately, there's no way to change it once you've already selected your username. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.